Today, I'll be using the Born Pretty Blooming Gel, one of my new favorite tools for creating soft and unique nail art. After ko mag-apply ng base coat at macure, I'm adding a layer of blooming gel. This part is so satisfying, parang blank canvas na ready for something magical. Pag nilagyan mo na ng konting colored gel polish, mapapanood mong kusang magbo-bloom ang design. Ang dali niyang i-blend, perfect for marble, flower, or watercolor effects. After a few brushes and adjustments, I cure it again and seal everything with a top coat. Simple process pero ang ganda ng resulta. Born Pretty Blooming Gel is now a staple in my nail art kit. Try it and tag me if you do. Let's bloom together.